Save or convert your Microsoft documents to PDF without any tools or internet. Okay, so what you have to do is open the document you want to save as a PDF. So I'll open my document here. Once your document is open, on the upper left corner on your screen, click on File, and then down to Save As. So click on Save As. Once Save As is open, you have to click the location where your PDF, you want to save your PDF. So I think I'll save mine on the desktop. Okay, so you have once this is open, we have file name here and then the save as type. So the file name, I'll keep it as project, mini project, and I'll only add 2 to the end. And then the file type, you have to click on it and select PDF. So once you go through, you see PDF, so click on PDF. So once you click on the PDF, so the next thing is click on save. Once you click on the save, it will load a little bit, and then we have our PDF. So this is our PDF. So you can confirm from the location you saved your PDF. So I could close this one and then minimize this. So on the desktop, I saved mine at the desktop. So this is my PDF here. I have my PDF on the desktop. Once I double click, it opens for me. So now we have our PDF. So thank you for watching the video. If it helps, consider subscribing and liking.